Stormy weather. Hang on tight as we enter the windy world of tropical storms. Nature displays itself in many ways. One of its most impressive forms is a kind of storm known as a hurricane, typhoons, or tropical cyclones. These powerful weather events forms in tropical waters. These spinning circular storms can become enormous, stretch over 900 kilometers across. The accompanying winds can reach speed 320 kilometers per hour. The storms also might reach a height up to 15 kilometers. They spin around centers called the eye, where are calm areas with low wind speeds. When these storms reach shores, the gale force winds sometimes strong enough to tear trees out of the ground. Heavy rains and crashing waves often cause floodings and tremendous damage to buildings. What's the difference between a hurricane, typhoons, and cyclone? The name depends on storms occasions. When tropical storms form in northwest Pacific oceans, they are called typhoons. In South Pacific and the Indian Oceans, they are called cyclones. In Central and Eastern North Pacific and North Atlantic Oceans, they are called hurricane. No matter what terms you used, these powerful storms leave damage in their path.